So you may have heard about a 3-year pause on H-1Bs. This is not in effect, it's just a proposal. It's called the End H-1B Visa Abuse Act of 2026. I'm going to discuss some of the things that this proposal would like to do. It's not law, so just remember it's not law, it's just a proposal. So it's a 3-year pause on H-1B issuance. Once the H-1B program restarts, the goal would be to reduce the number of visas from 65,000 to 25,000. It would also eliminate the master's cap. It would move to a wage-based selection system to replace the H-1B lottery, and we've already seen a lottery that's based on how much people get paid. There would be mandatory recruitment similar to perm, so employers would have to show that they can't find a US worker and that they haven't laid anyone off. It would set a wage floor of 200,000, meaning that employers that are filing H-1Bs would have to pay a minimum of 200,000. It would get rid of concurrent employment. And also, this is probably one of the biggest things, is no third-party staffing. So all of these IT consulting and staffing firms that place people at end clients would no longer be able to use the H-1B program. So that would be huge. No dependents, so people wouldn't be able to bring H-4 spouses or children, meaning they would have to come by themselves. It would prevent federal agencies from sponsoring people on H-1B. Another big thing is it aims to eliminate OPT and STEM OPT. So all of those people that come here as F1 students that then go on to work and transition to H-1B, it would eliminate all of that. No adjustment of status from H-1B, which means that in order to get a green card, you would have to leave the US. That covers, I think, all, if not most of the changes. Again, this is not law. It's something that you need to be aware of. It kind of tells you, again, what the administration's attitude towards legal immigration is, but it's not law, so nothing has changed as of now.